Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope people are enjoying their weekend. So today I want to bring back like the portfolio allocation negative drawdown analysis dashboard, like the front part. I wasn't able to get this updated in a good way on the tier list, so I'm bringing it to you today. So one of the first things you'll notice is that Coney and let's see who else, Square, like the SQY, is trading at like a decent enough discount. So hopefully on Monday, maybe if you're interested in these type of products, maybe that that could be something good that you could take advantage of. And then conversely, MSTY and Ulti, unfortunately, trading at a premium. So you might want to consider maybe holding back or maybe buying less. Of course, like your big boys and girls, you can do whatever you want with your money. And then over in the middle, you'll notice that for the Defiance ETFs, QQQY is the only one trading at a discount, and even then, it's trading at a small discount. So just be careful out there. And then for the new guy, SPYT and Tress, you'll notice that they barely show up on the assets under management, like like the little donut chart, which is kind of unfortunate, but I guess it is what it is. And then over to the right, you'll see Tesla still is like the kind of like the top dog out of the YieldMax ETFs, which is kind of weird to me, but it is what it is. And then I'm also glad to see like YMAX and YMAG. Well, YMAG is kind of like in the middle-ish. YMAX at least is it's within like kind of near the top. And then you see like MSTY and Ulti. Surprisingly, it's kind of closer to the bottom, but it's definitely moving up the ranks. I guess as these products get more popular, I expect these to kind of eventually go near the top. But I'm a little hesitant to point that out because I don't want people to kind of crowd into like the same names all the time, and then we wind up with like kind of like a mess. But anyway, I guess it is what it is. People will just buy whatever they want. So let me move on to like the Defiance trades for the week. And let's see, for IWMY is able to see a nice little bump up in terms of price. You see like they were able to bring in a little bit more cash. That's always a good thing. The options had a little bump in the kind of like near the middle, and then for the new week, we'll have like 9 cents to start off like the Monday. And the treasury positions dipped a little bit, but not too bad. So let's go on to JEPY. So JEPY had a little bit of a rough time, but not too bad. Like the cash went down a bit. The options, obviously hasn't been that exciting in terms of option premium. Most products are getting like kind of like squeezed throughout. The treasuries also dipped a little bit, but again, not too bad. Triple QY, unfortunately, yeah, it's been having a kind of like a rough time. In fact, you see like the cash position, people are leaving, so that's not good. So hopefully they'll be able to kind of replenish it over the next week and in the future. The option positions, as you can see, like the premium has really been kind of getting squeezed out. So we're starting at like 9 cents to start off the Monday, and the treasury position surprisingly held on like fairly well. It only lost like 10 cents in treasury. And let's move on to Tress. Ooh, that I mean that's bad. Like the cash position went negative, so I guess people are pulling the money out. The option positions is actually not that bad. Like it actually kind of went up, and then now it kind of like started to sag a little bit. And then the treasury, well, it's kind of ironic. Like the treasury within the treasury product stayed flat, so that could be a good thing. Now, SPYT is pretty interesting. It's been holding up its price relatively well, all things considered. And the cash position increased a little bit, whereas like the covered call position, well, it's not too bad. I guess it lost like 20 cents, so it's not the end of the world. But I'm really happy to see like like SPYT is holding up, and I'm kind of hoping, I guess, when they release like the triple QT and IWMT, that this could be a potentially, assuming people don't crowd in again, could be decent products for the future. So if you like this type of content, please consider giving us a like. All subscriptions are welcome, old and new. So thank you for watching. I hope everyone has a great day, and I hope people make some good money out there. See you in the next video. Bye now.